All right, so this is problem 11.1.57, and they ask us if two distinct numbers are chosen randomly from this set right here, we want to find the probability that they will be the slopes of two perpendicular lines. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is remember what it means to have slopes that are are slopes of perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. And what that means is one is positive and one is negative, and then they're reciprocals of each other. So they're the flipped image in fraction form. So if we look at this list, and well, actually, before we go there, remember that probability is always dealing with your desired outcome over the total number of possible ways to get the outcome. Okay, so if we look at the list and we look at the desired outcome, which is pairs of numbers that are opposite reciprocals, there's one pair right here, the negative 6/5 and the positive 5/6. Those are opposite reciprocals. And then there's another pair right here, negative 1/3 and positive 3. Okay, so, and that's it. And there's no other opposite reciprocal pairs here. So for the desired total in the top, there's two pairs. Now, the total number of pairs is actually something we're just going to have to count. There isn't really a way for us to use a counting technique. This is just a direct count. So if I count this, if I start with -4 and I think of all the pairs that -4 has with it, here's one pair. So -4 with -6/5 is one pair. Here's 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs, and 6 pairs. So there's 6 pairs with -4. Then if I move to -6/5, here's 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs. -1/3, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. 0 paired is 1, 2, and 3. And then we've got 1 and 2, and then one more. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, if I add those up, I've got, well, 10, 15, 21, essentially. So the probability then of getting the probability here that we will find slopes of two perpendicular lines if they're randomly chosen is just 2 out of 21.